Are you still, you go to ASU?
No, I dropped out of high school.
Bro, you don't need to be in school to get this.
Rats came in, hello. Fuck this go on vogue. Big range ain't no vogue. Big chain, you said choke. Feel like when a nigga get choked. I know that a boyfriend knows. You tell white lies like cocaine. I know that a boyfriend knows. You tell white cocaine. She hate when a man get home. You can't come in here. Yeah. You can't come in here. You can't come in here. You can't come in here. You can't come in here.
What it do, boys?
Ew, why would you say that?
What it do?
What are you saying? Ew.
That's what Brez says in his intro.
Sorry, Brez.
Anyways, what's up, guys? This is the second vlog this week. Probably not gonna come out the same week, but it is currently August 27th. It is Wednesday. And tonight's gonna be a chill night. It's just kind of gonna be like another night in the life. We're gonna go out and get dinner really quick. Just stop at a little restaurant. And then we're gonna head to a car meet. I think I have a spot reserved, I'm not sure. I hit up the car club owner that is organizing the meet ahead of time, just to tell him that I was coming in the McLaren, because you know, I wanted a spot with like nice lighting, so like all the photographers could get good shots, and so I could get good clips of my own car.
You can be rich instead of go to college. Be rich. College is not.
You heard it here first. You heard it here first. Anyways, these are the cars. We got all three of them, obviously. I'm taking the McLaren. Because why the fuck not?
There's this really cool car over here too. I really like this Tesla. It's really nice. It's really beautiful.
I got all my keys here. We got the Z, the Corvette. Okay, boy.
Sorry.
We got the Corvette and the McLaren.
Nobody wants to be cold as her. Popped out with my Julia. You fucking know who you fooling, huh? We made love in my dually truck. You had me thinking it was all love. Burn it down, let's resolve. Cut me and turn me up.
We got
I'm getting the shawty, I get in the car, I fuck with her, turn me up. She give me head on the top floor, I swear it was stories up.
Alright, dinner was great.
We had a super cool waiter.
Yeah, super cool waiter. He was talking to me about my car, so I kind of wish I recorded more of it, but it would have been a little bit awkward probably.
He might have not wanted to be on camera.
Yeah, but he was telling me about like the kind of car he has. He said he had like a Dodge Durango or something like that, which is cool. I was just basically just asking me questions about the McLaren and like reliability and how it drives. And I was telling him how it's always having like electrical issues. He was like, yeah, that's probably why I won't get one of those. I was like, yeah, I understood.
This guy thinks he's the only one that can afford a McLaren.
That's not what I meant.
I would get a McLaren, but he already has one, and I don't want him to think that I'm copying him. So I'm just investing my money right now.
Investing in it?
Saving it. Yep.
What are you investing in?
The stocks.
What stocks?
All of them. The big ones, the good ones, the one that goes up
Name
instead
one.
of down. Name one.
Name a stock or company that you're invested in.
Nvidia.
No video.
I knew I pronounced it wrong.
Chat.
Is it on this street?
No.
Oh.
There are a lot of police though. You want to show the camera?
Yeah.
I don't know if they're all police. There might have just been an accident here.
There's like a fire truck and an ambulance over there.
It might have just been a little accident. Or maybe there was like a fire. Because this isn't like that's in the parking lot. So like there might have been just like a fire.
We should go investigate.
I don't know if that's the greatest thing to do in a McLaren. I feel like we would be like intruding. Alright, we're almost here. We're about to pull up. All right. We made it.
Tell everyone
We made it.
the inspiration for the color.
Open your eyes.
Your girlfriend that you love.
Is that room to open my door? I'll come get you.
Alright. Everybody's looking.
Do like 30 minutes or so.
That's gotta be like a straight pipe. What the hell? We're wilding out here. So that's why, like, whenever I go to a new, I just kind of park. Ask your question. Park away. Yeah.
That is a terrible sound.
He might actually bat me. Here, I'll just open the doors for pictures.
Yeah, you got the insurance logo.
Oh, a second one.
I know. BMWs have to ruin everything. That's why Oh, there's ours.
Yeah, exactly. I like
This is Arizona car meets, guys.
Wow.
I'm really far north. Like, that's where I used to live. I
See, it wasn't us.
in front of the cops.
I run.
There's literally two cops.
Great.
What are we doing?
see them go.
Two-step the fuck out of my car. My shit goes bang.
Oh.
So just turn the truck over.
He's telling me to come over.
How old are you? 18.
Thank you. It's all compliant. I got my plate on it.
Nah, I'm just complimenting the vehicle, man.
Because I don't know, like, how have the takeovers been in Arizona? Are they still like common?
Yeah, they're pretty common, man.
Really?
So, like, obviously, like here in Mesa, we've had a few that there's been a couple bad apples that show up and
Okay.
then end up like in fights and shootings. And
Oh,
stuff.
really?
But for the most part, the one here in this parking lot, it's been super cool.
Okay.
The only reason we're here is literally because somebody took off and was backfiring their exhaust. And for somebody in this neighborhood called saying it sounded like shots
We
fired.
got on camera.
yeah.
It literally
Yeah, we got that
sounded
on
like
video.
gunshots.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that's why we're out here. Like, you guys are free to do this, man. Like, it's cool to see like good people
Awesome.
out here. I see there's families and kids, so I was like,
Yeah.
look out by that McLaren, bro. I'm trying to check that car out. So you own a software company?
Yeah.
You're doing pretty well.
It's school related, so
Yeah.
it's just kind of started back up again because summer break just ended. But it's basically, it's just like an online, it's like an extension for online school.
Yeah.
It's like an AI thing. Oh, bet. Thank you. She actually did that.
Yeah, dude. Is this your only supercar? Do you have another one?
This is my only supercar, but I have a Corvette and a 370Z as well. I live in West 6. So,
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, you guys are Mesa, but
Yeah.
I live in Tempe, so
What's next, bro? Lambo?
I don't know. Actually, my buddy owns a Lambo. He's told me to never get one.
Really?
They're so unreliable. Like we went out like 2 days ago, and his entire radio system wasn't working. Like he couldn't play any music, he couldn't turn on any of the screens. I'm like, bro, it's $300,000.
Is this like your? You only take this out like special occasions?
Yeah, super low miles. Like if I'm going out daily, it's like we'll take our Tesla
Yeah.
or my Corvette. So
So this is like the date night. vehicle, huh?
yeah, basically, we go to a steakhouse, we get valet.
Yeah, like, you pop out, bro. They probably see like,
Yeah.
what, like NFL players about to pop out, and it's just like a young kid and his girlfriend.
I've had people interview me with like the Meta Ray-Bans glasses, and they're always like, "Is this your dad's car?"
Like, nah, this is
Yeah.
mine.
But I don't know. There's a lot of wealthy young people out here.
Yeah, dude, that's
So-
awesome to see, man. So are you still? You go to ASU?
No, I dropped out of high school.
Bro, you don't need to be in school to get this.
Yeah. Hard work.
Yeah, man. Good for you, bro.
All right, well,
Be
nice
safe,
talking,
man.
bro.
You guys take it easy. Have a good night.
Super chill cop. That's like the most chill interaction I've had with a police officer ever.
Yeah.
Oh god, is that? Okay, well hopefully that's on. I don't know.
Yeah.
Ian Cody's sticker. We're gonna redo what I just said because I was recording. But yeah, now that we got the Instagram sticker, every time I drop her off at ASU, all the college kids get to know who I am and see that I dropped out
Yes.
and that my girlfriend's hot
Buddy.
and that I'm wearing her shirts.
As
stickers from the Mesa PD. So now I am officially an officer of the law. I now enforce the law in Mesa. So, have a good night, guys. Be safe out there.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Yeah, I was like talking to them about like, I was asking like how the takeovers have been, like are they still common? And they were like telling me how this spot is like the most respectful spot in Mesa. Yeah. And I was like, oh, that's crazy.
Dude, we put in so much work to get on good terms with them. He accosted us. He's like, oh, you guys did this, and this. I'm like, no, we didn't. They are right fucking there. He's turning around.
He just did a U-turn.
Turning around.
Quite a beautiful.
Wait.
He's coming back to ask us who that was.
Did anyone get that guy's plate?
I'm pretty sure the cop just flipped the bitch at the light. Dude, no way. He passed the cop just.
Oh, he's right there. He just drove back.
There's 2 other ones sitting down there, dude.
Bro. No way he actually thought that was a good idea.
He's like, we never have problems here.
I should have asked that cop about underglow. Cause like I actually really want underglow on the car.
Yeah.
But I know it's illegal.
You gotta do it right though, cause not gonna lie, like if you really look at that,
He doesn't
like,
have a front lip.
yeah, like you can see. I don't know, like the LED strips. I feel like that doesn't look as nice.
Alright, we just took pictures of the car for Aura Farming. The car looks really nice in this lighting. This tree is super fucking bright though. And I wish it wasn't so noticeable, but it is.
I think it's Aura.
Basically everyone has left the meet already. Because the cops showed up. They were chill, but obviously everyone here has like illegal exhaust. So speaking of the devil. Yeah, we're chilling. The cops actually liked my McLaren. We got that all on video, I'm pretty sure. Hey, it was nice meeting you again. Hey man,
Don't be a stranger.
I'll pop out more.
Hit me up, man.
Yeah,
When
for
you
sure.
guys are ready to come back to Walmart, let me know. We'll make it happen.
Look, my speed bitches. I got some empathy. I got some empathy. I got some empathy. Look, my speed bitches. I got some empathy. I got some empathy. I got some empathy.
Not really, no.
I just spent the black sheets. I just brought a brand new G. And I brought an NCT. And I brought an ANG. I just got a brand new feet. I just fought a
Guys,
brand new
we made it back home. It is like 10 or 11 right now. It was a pretty nice night. You know, we got dinner, we went to the car meet, we got hella clips, met hella new people. Unfortunately, the camera died on the drive home, so I didn't get to film everything. But yeah, it was a really chill night. I'm hoping to get more vlogs out like this, to be more consistent. I don't know about every day, but you know, I'm gonna try and like record as much as I can. I need you guys, bro. I need you guys to subscribe. I need you guys to like. I need you guys to comment and tell me what the fuck you want me to change with these vlogs, what you like about these vlogs. I need feedback. Most importantly, what I need you guys to do is use me as inspiration, because I feel like the position I'm in, like, I have a very mixed vibe. Like, sometimes I feel like I have a little bit too big of an ego, and sometimes I feel like I'm being pretty humble. But bro, I'm 18 years old. I got 3 fucking cars. I have a Drift Z. I have a supercharged Corvette, and now I have a fucking McLaren 600 LT Spider. On top of living in a penthouse, literally like anything is possible, bro. And the fact that I did all of this shit in just 2 years, bro. I started this December 2023, my software company, and the summer was hard, bro, because if you guys don't know, my software is related to online school. I think I talked about it in this video today, but it is related to online school. It's basically an extension for online school that helps kids do their online school with AI, specifically Edgenuity. But of course, all businesses have seasons. For example, Spirit Halloween, they make 0 fucking money for the entire year. In fact, most of them actually close down their stores the entire year. And then Halloween, that's when they make their bank. Me, I'm kind of the opposite. I make hella money all year, but then summer break, basically the months between June and August, I don't make shit. But obviously the school year just started, ASU just started up, all the high schools just started up again, and I'm starting to make a little bit more cash. If you watch my first couple of videos, I got more into like the actual statistics of my business and how it ran. I actually showed more about how much money I made and shit. It gets to a point where I'm just kind of flaunting my money around. I kind of want this channel to be more about my lifestyle and to help motivate those of you who, whether you're around my age, older than me, younger than me, like, to just get your shit together, bro. Get off TikTok, get off video games, and start spending your time doing shit that makes you money. And honestly, that's very subjective, because if you make money on social media, if you make money playing video games, then bro, lock in on that shit, bro. Maximize it, scale it up, bro, because then you can actually get shit like this and actually enjoy your life. Because me, I love coding, I love doing what I do, and I turn my passion into income. And if you fuck with video games, if you fuck with being on social media, bro, turn it into money, bro. Like, figure it out. There's always a way to make money online, especially in today's age. Look at everyone, bro. There's so many millionaires, especially Miami, bro. I'm in Arizona, but look at Miami, bro. Miami, LA, New York, all these millionaires, bro, 18, 19, 20, bro, buying Porsches, Lamborghinis, McLarens. Like, I'm not the only kid doing this shit, bro. And you gotta realize it's so fucking possible, and you just gotta lock in. But anyways, guys, that's enough for today's video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace out, bro.